Right, of course, we'll be getting back to Alan Ochanda on that important topic there. Of course, there's a problem there technically, but we'll be getting back in just a bit. Moving on now, the Intergovernmental Authority on Development, IGAD, has called for the integration of the youth in the region's growth and development. According to IGAD Executive Secretary Dr. Wokne Gebeyehu, the youth make about 70% of the population in the region, a demographic he said cannot continue to be ignored. Gebeyehu unveiled the first ever IGAD Youth Envoy to champion the youth agenda across IGAD member states. He was speaking during the IGAD Governance Forum on promotion and deepening democratic governance through the ratification and domestication of regional and continental instruments held in Mombasa, Kenya.
We are working on women, we are working on peace and security, climate change and other issues. When we are talking about these issues, these agendas nationally as well as in regional level, it's impossible without the participation of the youth, not the participation, a very significant contribution of the youth.
One of my key interventions is that work closely with the Office of the Executive Secretary with its support and guidance to ensure that the voices of the young people are being discussed and put part and parcel of the IGAD programming frameworks, but also the member states who are members of the IGAD are able to actually rectify and adopt some of the agreement and implement in partnership with the youth within their country.
When we talk about good governance, it's not because we want to use the expression as a fad. It is because it is the best way of harnessing human, natural, and material resources in the interests of the growth and development of the member states of this region and the region itself.
The government